Amtrak has been very resourceful over its 50-plus years. Not always flush with cash, they have often had to adapt existing rolling stock to their operations. So when it came time to retire one of the most successful engines on their roster, this is exactly what they did. The F-40s came online in the 1970s, and they are often credited with saving Amtrak. Decades later, when they were replaced by Genesis engines, some were sold to commuter operations, museums, and tourist railroads. Today, the Western Maryland Scenic Railroad operates number 450, which started its career as Amtrak number 380. But almost all F-40s that remained with Amtrak were converted to non-powered cab control cars. The prime movers were taken away, and doors were cut into the side to create baggage compartments. These cab baggage cars earned the nickname CABBAGES. This Cabbage, former Amtrak number 221, was painted in a veterans commemorative scheme and renumbered to 90221. Several others were repainted and used permanently on Amtrak's Downeaster trains in New England. Others were used on various Amtrak routes, including Amtrak California and Surfliner, Cascade service in the Pacific Northwest, and Midwestern routes such as the Hiawathas. In this next video, we explore another piece of equipment that Amtrak also repurposed and is still using today. We'll see you next week.